For just $29.90, this is how you can keep your cat's smile bright and healthy with Silvervine dental sticks. These sticks are 100% natural and designed to make dental care less stressful for your feline friend. Not only do they promote dental health, but they also satisfy your cat's hunting instincts, reducing boredom and anxiety while preventing future dental problems. Your kitty will love the relief these sticks bring, and if you buy 3, you get 2 more free. It's the perfect time to pamper your cat and support their dental health.